So I mainly use this motor, the Turnigy Idle Drive 6374 192 kV, and this is a brand new one, and I've been using them for probably several years, if not probably 4 or 5 years, and I never had the issue that actually happened recently. This is a brand new one that's supposed to go back on my scooter, and this is a 6374 149. I haven't tried this one, but I have a bunch of them. And this one right here, it's 6374 192. So this one is recently new. I probably used it maybe like 3-4 months. And if you see here, I don't know how much you can hear the squeaky noise, and maybe you can catch it here. Look, the shaft is not actually, it should be solid, right? This part, the entire part spins, but if I hold the shaft, you can see the body of the motor actually spins. So let me actually look at the notch. You can hear the itching noise, the scratching noise. You can see here. So what I need to do, right here, the set screw one is missing. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, and one is here present. So what I most likely think that the threads are destroyed, so I have to remove this set screw and maybe drill next size and make new threads and put a slightly bigger set screw, and I have to align the notch inside here so it's working properly. And I have to clean this part, and this has to go back. So now, as you can see here, this bearing is okay, but this part, the bearing, actually all the balls are gone, and there's only the outside housing of the bearing which needs to be removed. And here you can see the spacer, and actually this is chewed up. This is part of the spacer and of the there are more parts of the bearing, and look here, this is all chewed up and damaged. Also here, second bearing, which was closer inside, which was more protected, it has some debris, but it doesn't look to be damaged. So the spacer and the two smaller bearings that actually sit inside here, they have been destroyed. And I can see right here also the scratches, and looks like, you know, that part got chewed up. But yeah, besides that, the motor looks okay. And I've read in the forums people complaining about the bearing, so I have to now research. Hopefully I can find this online on the forums, some threads with exact measurements and places where I can buy more better quality bearings, so I can just buy them and swap them and use this motor. But besides that, there's nothing wrong with it. That's the only main issue I have, is the bearings. Once I replace that and I put back the spacer, everything should be fine. But yes, lately my older SK3s motors, they perform fine. They're my mountain boards, but the newer ones actually really have really bad bearings, and I think the quality is not as good as the older motors they used to sell. I think if I wouldn't open this, I would realize that it's actually running on the spacers alone, but that I think decreases the efficiency of the motor and consumes more energy. Glad I opened it, so I'm gonna probably go through all of my motors, open them up, and make sure everything is properly fixed. This is it for today. I have some more footage about my future projects, which I will post soon. Also, I met a guy in Bronx that actually builds mountain boards and skateboards, and I met him today. It's an amazing project, and I will be sharing his builds on my channel, and I think you guys should definitely check it out. Just stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.